Most people, once they hit a certain age, should be on a form of vitamin A for their skin. This is a retinoic acid or retinol product. This is going to help you with anti-aging, skin rejuvenation, helps with some acne too. So if you want to look younger and tighten up your pores, using a retinol on a regular basis will help. These are usually applied nightly. Sometimes they can be a little irritating if you are sensitive, so we have 3 forms. Our sensitive A is equivalent to a 0.02 prescription strength. Our gentle A, which comes in a serum, is equivalent to a 0.04 prescription strength. And we have advanced A, which is equivalent to a 0.1% prescription. Retinols are typically applied at night and they need to be used regularly for the best results. I've been using the retinol serum for many years. I actually alternate it with our antioxidant serum and it's helping to keep my skin looking more youthful.